Hi everyone and welcome to our Power Maths, and we've made it to our Friday session. Woohoo! So today our warm-up game is going to be this. I'm going to give you a number and I will show it on my fingers, and then I would like you to either show me more or fewer than the fingers I show you. So to begin with, I would like you to show me more than 2. Well done. Can you show me more than 4? Fantastic. Can you show me more than 8? Well done. And can you show me more than 6? Fantastic. Right, this time I want you to show me fewer. Okay, so show me fewer than 4. Well done. What's fewer than 8? Fantastic. What's fewer than 10? Amazing. And there's only one answer to this. What's fewer than 1? Well done. So that's a real quick, simple game you can do at home if your child is still struggling to understand the difference between more and fewer. Now, next on our agenda today, I have got some 10 frames, and I want to know, are there more red or are there more green? So let's take a closer look. So here is our first 10 frame. Now, before we even have a go at counting, do you think there are more green counters or more red counters? I think you're right. There are more red counters, aren't they? So let's have a quick count. Now, straight away, hopefully you can work out how many green counters are there. Well done. It's just one, isn't it? One green counter. So how many red counters are there? Let's have a count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 red counters. So there are definitely more red counters because 9 is bigger than 1. Let's try another one. Are there more green or are there more red? What do you think? Okay, let's see if you're right. Let's count the green counters first. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 green counters. So how many red ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 red counters. So which one has more? It's our red counters again, isn't it? Because 6 is bigger than 4. Here's a question for you. How much bigger is 6 than 4? So put 4 in your head, 4. And how many more do you have to count on to get to 6? 4, 5, 6. It's just 2 bigger. That's a question you can ask at home if you want to extend your child's learning. Okay, are there more red or are there more green? I think you're right. Let's have a look how many red we've got. Now, if we want to be super clever, the whole top line is filled in. So straight away, we know that's 5, don't we? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 red counters. And how many green counters? Just the one. So who has more? There are more red counters. Well done. Who's got fewer? There are fewer green counters because 1 is smaller than 9. Fantastic. So now let's have a look at this one. Which one's got more and which one's got fewer? Tricky one, isn't it? Let's have a look. Let's start off by counting the red ones. Now, the red ones take up the whole of the top line. So straight away, we should know that's 5. Well done. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. So we have 5 red counters. But hang on a minute. The green counters take up the whole of the bottom row. So how many should there be there? 5. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 red counters and 5 green counters. Who's got more? You're right, they're the same. So there isn't more and there isn't less. They are the same. Fantastic. And sometimes that happens, doesn't it? There aren't more, there aren't less. They are just the same. Fantastic. Now, in your packs today, I think you'll find this super duper easy. And it's page 9 from your packs. And it has got some flowers at the top. Should we double check how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers. And the question says, draw more flowers. So it wants more than 5. So what is more than 5? You could do 6, yeah. Is there more than one answer? You're right, you could do 7. You're right, you could do 8. You're right, you could do 9 or 10 or 11 or 12 or 200 or 3,000. As long as it is more than 5, then your answer will be right. So I wonder how many flowers you will draw today. And it says at the bottom, does it matter if your flowers are all the same size or if they're slightly different? It doesn't, does it? Not at all. As long as we can see each separate flower so we can count them, because my last challenge is once you've had a go at drawing your flowers in the corner, I would like you to have a go at writing the number for me. Now, it doesn't have to be the actual number. So for example, if I drew 6 flowers, because that's more than 5, I would draw my 6 flowers. And then if I couldn't do the number 6, I would draw 6 dots or 6 lines to show that I know I have drawn 6. If I draw 10, I'd have a go at writing 10, or I would do 10 dots or 10 lines to show that I know I have done 10. So have a go today. Draw your flowers and then have a go telling me how many you've drawn. And if you want an extra challenge, once you've drawn yours, can you tell me how many more you have drawn? How many more than 5 have you drawn? An extra challenge for you today. Don't forget to take a photo and send it in on Dojo so I can hand out even more points. Thank you so much for joining me. Enjoy the story at the end of the day and then have a fabulous weekend. Bye.